Hi everyone, in front of me I've got NOKIA C32 and let me share with you how to block a number on this device. So first of all, let's open your contacts because I forgot to say that I want to show you two different ways, and the first one will require the number which you've got currently saved on your contact list, and the second will be more manual and you do not have to have it saved. Alright, so let's start with your contacts. Find the contact you'd like to block and tap on it, and then tap on the three dots icon in the right upper corner. Now let's tap on block numbers, and as you can see, your device will inform you that you will no longer receive any incoming calls or text messages from this particular number, so if you're ready, tap on block. As you can see, we've got this information. This characteristic icon also will show us that the contact has been blocked successfully. Of course, we can unblock it the same way right here, but let me leave it like it is. We will check if it will appear on the blacklist. So now moving to the second way of blocking the number. It does not really matter whether it will be on the contacts, recents or the favorites. Just tap on the three dots icon in the right upper corner and enter the settings. Here, let's tap on blocked numbers, and as you can see, we've been transferred to our blacklist. It is here, and this is the number we just blocked from our contacts, so the previous way also works. And I also said that this way is more manual, so you do not have to have it saved. So let's tap on add a number, and as you can see, we've got this section so we can freely enter the number. We can also paste it if we've got it copied from example from the list of numbers which called you before, and tap on block. And as you can see, it will immediately appear on the blacklist. What is more, here we've got this unknown option, which may be useful in some situations. Just mark it right here, tap on the switcher to turn it on, and from now on your device will block calls from all unidentified callers. Of course, you can turn it off the same way, and if you want, you can unblock the number just by tapping on this X button and confirming. Alright, so that'll be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.